मैं बहुत सिक्योर आदमी हूँ, मुझे ये सब चीज़ें फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता। राजू हिरानी को नहीं देखा इस सब करते हुए। वो तो उसका बस चले तो ये भी बोल देगा कि ये कि उसने बनाई है।
He can do that.
कमर्शियल का डेफिनेशन इज़ वेरी नैरो। द इंडियन डेफिनेशन ऑफ कमर्शियल एक ही हो गया है, वो चेंज हो रहा है। द न्यू यंगर जनरेशन इज़ मोर प्रोफेशनल।
It's as offbeat as mainstream.
लाइक बर्फी, व्हाट डू यू कॉल बर्फी? तलाश के बारे में मैं कुछ बोलूँगा नहीं।
It's good.
किक एस,
Kick ass.
जितना खर्चा है उसका डबल बिजनेस हो, बस खत्म।
क्या बात?
नेट।
Now, Anurag, you're one of the very few directors, who believes in cinema as a collective art. Maximum time directors, they just want to hog the entire limelight. Writer कौन है, director कौन है, मतलब producer कौन है, technicians कौन है, they don't give a damn about them. It's only the director who is like, I have made the film, dash film. आप जो हैं, you involve everyone, be it your technicians, be it your sound guy, be it your actors, and you just promote them, you just encourage them all the time. Still, it remains an Anurag Kashyap film. Why do you think that within the film industry, people are not willing to share the credit as such? Why do they want to just, everyone wants to just, मैंने किया है?
यार वो तो उनसे पूछो।
मतलब even लाइनों का भी, मतलब ये लाइन मेरी इम्प्रोवाइज की हुई थी, मतलब people come out with that.
वो ठीक है, लोगों को होते होंगे यार। मैं बहुत सिक्योर आदमी हूँ, मुझे ये सब चीज़ें फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता। मेरे को होता है कि काम हो रहा है, आ रहा है, बाहर जा रहा है। तो डिपेंड्स ऑन द लेवल ऑफ इनसिक्योरिटीज़ वेरियस पीपल है। तो इंडिविजुअल से इंडिविजुअल वेरी करता है। मैंने कभी राजू हिरानी को नहीं देखा इस सब करते हुए, बिकॉज ही इज़ अ वेरी सिक्योर मैन। वो तो उसका बस चले तो ये भी बोल देगा कि ये कि उसने बनाई है।
He can do that.
I can do that. Is because he always gives away credit. I've seen people like Imtiaz Ali. He has never seen him trying to take away. So it depends.
Rohit Shetty as well. Rohit Shetty, I think.
Rohit Shetty is a very generous man. No, a filmmaker who knows what he is doing will always be secure. But some people जिनका जो होता है, जो को हिट हो जाती है और फॉर्मूला मिल जाता है, वो दिखता है उनके हर काम में दिखता है, रिपीट करते रहते हैं।
Okay, one more from Suzy. A cult or commercial film?
A good film.
A good film. This is Mehak Loves Rani. You've been known for making offbeat cinema and dark films, and how did Ayya come about? What was so special about it? You've already answered that.
Ayya is as offbeat as it is mainstream.
It's as offbeat as mainstream.
Like Barfi, what do you call Barfi? What do you call Barfi? It's a very offbeat film, but it's very mainstream.
But it's very entertaining as well. It's like very entertaining.
Ayya is the same thing. It's extremely offbeat, very entertaining.
Subtext है उसके अंदर.
It's very entertaining. See, commercial का definition is very narrow. The Indian definition of commercial एक ही हो गया है. वो चेंज हो रहा है इस साल। आप शुरू से देखो ना, कहानी कमर्शियल थी, विकेट ओनर कमर्शियल थी, सारी फिल्में कमर्शियल थी। अभी बर्फी तुम इतनी बड़ी कमर्शियल है, लेकिन सारी की सारी ऑफबीट है। वो किसी फॉर्मूले में फिट नहीं होती है।
What do you think of तलाश?
तलाश के बारे में मैं कुछ बोलूँगा नहीं। मैं इस फिल्म के साथ इन्वॉल्व हूँ, मैंने वो फिल्म देखी है एंड
It's good.
किक एस।
Kick ass. Your kind of cinema?
It's a director's film.
What do you think of Reema Kagti?
Reema Kagti's film. It's a very fine film. There's nothing more I'm going to say. I'm not the producer of the film. I'm only the additional dialogue writer. So I'm not saying anything. But it's
Okay, were Rani and Prithviraj the first choice for the movie? This is Mehak Loves Rani.
the only choice, not the first choice, only choice.
Only choice for this. Rapid fire questions for Anurag from Mehak Loves Rani. Explain in one sentence why should people watch Ayya?
Because they have not seen anything like it ever before.
Ranbir Kapoor or Abhay Deol?
Right now, Ranbir Kapoor, because I'm going to work with him. And Ranbir Kapoor is doing some incredible stuff and bringing a lot of power. Yeah.
Okay, Anurag the producer, Anurag the director.
Director.
Anurag the director, he has been fighting it out. One actor and actress you would love to work with from present generation.
I'm working with them.
Apart from Ranbir and Anushka, if you have to choose.
I'm working with them.
Rani and this one?
No, नहीं, Ranbir, Anushka, I'm working with them. Present generation जो है, ये दोनों हैं जिनके साथ मैं काम कर रहा हूँ.
Anyone else apart from that?
बहुत सारे हैं. परिणीति है, इमरान हाशमी है, अभय है, उसके साथ कर चुका हूँ, आगे फिर से करूँगा. मेरी खुद की बीवी है, इवन इमरान खान है. The new younger generation is more professional, more rooted, more grounded. And that's what is very special about the new generation of stars.
And there were talks that you may be doing something with Shah Rukh Khan, so anything happening on that?
यार हम लोग मिलते रहते हैं, बात करते रहते हैं, आइडियाज सुनाते रहते हैं. जब होगा बता. अभी राइट नाउ इज बॉम्बे वेलवेट.
Alright, critical acclaim or awards?
बॉक्स ऑफिस.
Box office. क्या बात है. क्या बात है. विक्रमादित्य मोटवानी और सचिन कुंदालकर, the better director.
They're two very different directors. When it comes to funny movies and lighter movies, Sachin Kundalkar. When it comes to serious subject matters and strong emotions, is Vikram.
How has the Lutera shaped up?
Lutera, the moment I see the first cut, I'll tell you. I don't see any of the films that I'm involved with as a producer till the director calls me in and shows me the first cut.
Okay, and have you seen Love Shafta Chicken Khurana?
Of course,
What do you think of it?
it's superb.
Superb. Food
I'm very
corner.
happy. I'll tell you one thing, man. I'm very happy with all the films that I've produced. They're all unique, all very different from each other, and they've all turned out very good. And the whole crop of directors we have in-house are at par with anybody in the industry.
Acha, tell me, like, you don't go to the sets, but once they've given you the final cut and all, do you, at times, does it happen that you suggest that maybe you can thoda alter karoge to
No,
shayad
I always
maybe-
give my opinions.
As a producer, you are conscious about it, so you have to be.
Absolutely. I give my opinion, I discuss, I argue, and we arrive at a film. But I never force anyone to do just because I'm saying it. I know the whole philosophy at AKFPL is the director is an individual whose individuality has to come out. So the way when I teach, I do that is कि तुम क्या करना चाहते हो, तुम क्या कहना चाहते हो, कैसे कह रहे हो, तुम जो कहना चाहते हो वो तुम इस तरह से बेहतर कह सकते हो. मैं ये नहीं कहता हूँ कि तुम्हें वो नहीं कहना चाहिए, तुम वो कहो जो मैं कह रहा हूँ, वो नहीं करता हूँ. So that's how they always use me, and I happily am a bouncing board. I become a bouncing board from all sides to them.
Describe Rani and Prithviraj in 3 words.
And it's too limiting to describe Rani and
If you
Prithviraj.
have to just say a sentence, maybe. One sentence.
See, Rani is somebody who's one of our finest actresses there is. Extremely energetic, inspiring. वो घुस जाती है. Rani is like a bull. She's like a bull. She gets into something, you have to really be ready to handle her. Because if you're throwing something at her, तुम्हें मालूम है कि किस समय सामने से हटना और कैसे कपड़ा घुमाना है. Because she gets into it and she gets it and she sees it through. She takes time getting it.
What's your favorite Rani Mukherjee film?
My favorite Rani Mukherjee film, यार बहुत difficult सवाल है. युवा.
You've written the dialogues.
Yeah, but her
Even
performance-
Calcutta Mail, I think you were associated with that in some way.
हाँ पहली फिल्म भी है उसका परफॉर्मेंस रानी का राजा की है.
Raja Ki Aeg. You know, many people even don't know about it, but I think she was very good in that film.
She's awesome in that film. She's very raw and in that film, very raw.
Prithviraj.
Prithviraj is, I don't know, he's an incredibly sexy man. He's a very good actor. He speaks very good Hindi. You'll hear him in the film. He's like Hindi film mainstream material after a long time. He's the kind of actor that has been missing from our screens. The kind of sexuality he exudes, the kind of professionalism he has, because he's also a producer. He's also a creative man. He's a learned man. So he's a good asset to be on the set.
Finally, last question. Jitesh Tandal, do we get to see you directing something like Ayya, like as in comedy films? Can we see you directing it?
When it will come, it will come. It has to come in a very natural way. I always say that. Everything has to happen organically. I'm not going to do something just because somebody is expecting me to do it or just because I think, अरे मेरे को ऐसा करना चाहिए. I have all my stories and like I said, I have always said this, I'm trying to find commerce in what I believe in rather than trying to find cinema in commerce.
Like, do you aspire for 100 crores or not?
नहीं. I just aspire. When I'll make a film that costs 50 crores, I'll aspire for a net of 100 crores.
So that, okay.
So that it is balanced.
That is your aim.
ना
That is your aim.
मतलब जब तक मैं 50 करोड़ की फिल्म नहीं बना रहा हूँ मैं 100 करोड़ के पीछे क्यों भागूं यार.
So that doesn't give you a ego high.
नो नो नॉट एट ऑल. मतलब मैं जितना मैं फिल्म बना रहा हूँ ना, जितना बजट है, जितना खर्चा है, उसका डबल बिजनेस हो, बस खत्म.
क्या बात.
नेट और कुछ नहीं.
That was Anurag Kashyap talking about a whole lot of things. It's always a huge pleasure to talk to Anurag because you get so many perspectives, and the best part is he's honest about whatever he says. And right now, he wants to be part of box office. That's what his latest mantra right now is, and that is great. In fact, you're being honest about whatever you're saying, and looking forward to Ayya and Love Shafta Chicken Khurana. Personally, I'm looking forward to it because it looks a fun movie. And Bombay Velvet, I hope that you do well with that, and congratulations for a whole lot of other stuff that you will be doing with the industry. And we hope that you continue doing what you believe in and balance out your fans with what the market demands from you as well. Thank you and all the best. That's all from Bollywood Hungama. Keep on watching.